Hurricane Melissa has left deep wounds across our nation. Lives have been upended, homes and livelihoods shattered, and communities that once bustled with hope now face immense challenges. To every family grieving loss, to every citizen struggling in the aftermath, please know that the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs stands with you. We share your pain, and we are committed to supporting recovery in every way possible. In moments like these, Jamaica's true strength shines, not in the absence of hardship, but in the presence of unity, empathy, and service. Our people have always risen to meet adversity with courage and love. And so today, I call upon a very special core of nation builders, our Custodes, our parish justices of the peace associations, and every justice of the peace across Jamaica, along with all well-thinking Jamaicans. You are pillars of service. You are guardians of community trust. And now, more than ever, your nation needs you. I urge you to mobilize, to organize relief activities, to visit the shelters, to support families who have lost everything, and to lend hands and hearts where they're needed most, both within your parishes and wherever else duty may call. Jamaica will rebuild, and we will do so together. Let us stand united, serve selflessly, and ensure that no Jamaican walks this hard road alone. May God bless you all, and may God bless Jamaica, land we love.